Hey beginner sewers, today we're breaking down the biggest sewing myths that make beginners quit before they even get started. If you've ever felt confused, overwhelmed, or like you're doing it wrong, trust me, it's not you, it's the myths. So let's clear these up together. Boost your confidence so you can start making beautiful projects. Myth number 1. You need an expensive sewing machine to sew well. This myth started because so many creators online use machines covered in buttons, screens, or features that look intimidating. It makes beginners feel like their simple machine isn't good enough, but the truth is, beautiful sewing isn't about price, it's about technique. You'll get cleaner stitches from choosing the right needle, using a good quality thread, and guiding your fabric gently than you ever will from buying a pricey machine you're not ready for. Your skills grow from practice, not price tags. Truth number 1. Basic machines sew beautifully. Needles, thread, and technique matter more. Mistake to avoid. Blaming every sewing problem on your machine instead of checking your needle, thread, and tension first. Myth number 2. Perfect stitches come naturally. This myth started because most sewing videos only show the final perfect clips, not the practice or the mistakes behind the scenes. So beginners assume everyone else is sewing flawlessly except them, but perfect stitches don't just happen. They actually come from slowing down, watching your seam guides, and letting the machine feed the fabric without pushing or pulling. Crooked lines are normal when you're learning. Over time, your eyes, hands, and machine start working together. Perfect stitches come with practice, not magic. Truth number 2. Perfect stitches equal practice plus seam guides plus steady speed. Mistake to avoid. Watching the needle instead of the seam guides, which causes wobbly stitching. Myth number 3. You must learn everything before starting a project. This myth started back when sewing was taught like a school subject. Master the technique first, then sew later, but that only leads to overwhelm for beginners today. When you sew one simple project like a pillow cover or other simple item, you naturally learn cutting, pressing, pinning, seam allowance, and back stitching without even trying. The project teaches you. Progress happens when you sew, not when you wait. Truth number 3. You learn by sewing, not by memorizing. Mistake to avoid. Spending so much time watching tutorials that you never actually sew anything. Myth number 4. You need tons of sewing tools to get started. This myth grew because social media is full of huge sewing tool hauls and making new sewers think they need every gadget to be official. But buying too many tools too soon usually leads to confusion and overwhelm. You don't need a complicated toolkit to make beautiful beginner projects. A pair of fabric scissors, clips or pins, seam ripper, measuring tool, thread, and your machine is more than enough. Advanced tools are just time savers, not requirements. Start simple and let your toolbox grow with your skills. Truth number 4. A few essential tools are all you need. Mistake to avoid. Buying advanced gadgets you don't need yet and getting overwhelmed before you even begin. Remember to click the subscribe button for more beginner-friendly sewing tips and tutorials. Myth number 5. If you make mistakes, you're not good at sewing. This myth started because beginners only see finished aesthetic sewing moments, never the messy parts that happen behind the scenes. What they don't realize is that every sewist, even the experienced ones, uses a seam ripper constantly. Mistakes aren't signs of failure, they're signs of learning. Fixing a seam teaches you more than sewing a perfect one ever will. Mistakes show you what to adjust next time, how to change your speed, your tension, or your technique. They're part of the process, not prove you're bad at sewing. Mistake to avoid. Thinking seam ripping means you failed instead of seeing it as a normal part of sewing. Truth number 5. Mistakes help you improve. Every sewist makes them. Myth number 6. You can't adjust measurements on beginner projects. This myth started because many tutorials offer exact measurements without explaining that they're flexible. Beginners see those numbers and assume they must follow them exactly, even if the pillow cover, fabric, or item they're using is a slightly different size, but measurements are meant to be adjusted. You're allowed to add an inch for fullness, subtract an inch for a snug fit, or tweak the size to match what you already have. The only mistake is cutting without checking your project against the actual item first. Sewing becomes easier once you realize measurements are guides, not rules. Truth number 6. You can absolutely customize measurements. Mistake to avoid. Cutting fabric without checking the size against the actual item you're sewing for, like a pillow insert. Oh no, I did all that measuring, but the lining is 3 inches too short. Myth number 7. Pressing seams is optional. This myth came from speed-focused tutorials that skip pressing to keep videos short. What beginners don't realize is that pressing is the real secret behind clean, professional-looking sewing projects. Pressing helps your seams lie flat, helps your fabric behave, and makes your finished project look 10 times more professional. Skipping pressing leaves your seams bulky and uneven. A few seconds with an iron during and after you sew completely transforms your project and is one of the simplest steps you can take. Truth number 7. Pressing is essential for smooth professional seams. Mistake to avoid. Skipping pressing and sewing over wrinkled seams, which makes everything look bulky. Myth number 8. Good sewing requires being naturally crafty. This myth exists because sewing is often grouped with drawing, painting, or crafting, making beginners think they need natural artistic talent. But sewing is a skill, just like riding a bike or learning to cook. You don't need to be creative to sew well, you just need to practice guiding fabric, pressing seams, sewing slowly, and learning how your machine feels. The creativity part comes naturally over time. You don't need to be born crafty to sew beautifully, you just have to try. Truth number 8. Anyone can learn to sew. It's a skill, not a personality type. Mistake to avoid. Assuming you're not creative enough, which stops you from practicing the skills that actually build confidence. Myth number 9. You have to sew fast to be good at sewing. This myth started from sped up sewing videos where everything looks fast and flawless. Beginners assume sewing quickly means they're more skilled, but the opposite is true. Rushing leads to crooked seams, stretched fabric, and frustration. Slow sewing gives you control, accuracy, and cleaner results. As your confidence grows, your speed will naturally increase. Smooth, steady stitching makes your projects look clean, not speed. Truth number 9. Slow equals smooth. Smooth equals confident. Mistake to avoid. Pressing the pedal too hard and losing control of your stitch line. Myth number 10. You can't mix fabrics in the same project. This myth came from old sewing advice like don't mix fabrics, but nobody explained the why behind it. Beginners took it literally. The real rule isn't about fabric names, it's about how the fabrics behave. Mixing fabrics works beautifully as long as they have similar stretch, weight, and movement. What doesn't work is pairing something stiff and heavy with something thin and flowy. They won't sew together evenly. Once you understand fabric behavior, mixing fabrics become fun and easy. Truth number 10. You can mix fabrics, just match the weight and how they react together. Mistake to avoid. Mixing fabrics that react differently, like pairing stretchy knit with stiff cotton. Confidence builder. Every project you try, every stitch you practice, and every mistake you fix is building your confidence. You're learning a new skill most people are too scared to even start, and you're doing it with courage and curiosity. You don't need to be perfect or know everything right now. Grow at your own pace. With every bit of practice, you'll feel your hands, your mind, and your machine working together. One day you'll look back and see just how far you've come. So breathe, take your time, and keep going. You're doing better than you think. And that's it. 10 beginner sewing myths you can stop believing right now. Sewing is supposed to be fun, creative, and relaxing. You don't need perfection, you don't need expensive tools, and you definitely don't need to know everything before you start. You just need the willingness to learn and keep going. Don't forget to download your beginner sewer's checklist. It's linked below. It'll help you stay organized and confident as you take your next sewing steps. Some beginner sewing tools I mentioned are linked in the description if you want to check them out as well. If you like this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly sewing tips and tutorials.